Hi everyone. Today we are going to show you a quick and efficient way to transfer files, photos, and data from your iPhone to your laptop using the Document app. This method is super easy and doesn't require iTunes or any other complicated setup to get transfer your files. So let's dive in. First thing first, make sure you have this Document app in your iPhone. If you doesn't have, please go ahead and open App Store, and you could easily download it from App Store, and it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything for this. I already have installed, that's why it's asking me to open the Document app. In the next step, let's go ahead and transfer these two files. I have taken the screenshot for this example to show you how we can do it for photos, and I have also created a little video to transfer this. Please select all your required files that you want to transfer to your laptop. So I have selected the both video as well as the image file. In the left bottom of your screen, please click on this send button. Once you click on this send button, you will see the Document app in the list. So let's go ahead and click on Document. Now you can see that I have transferred my both of files to the Document app. Let's go ahead and click on show in folder just to verify I have both of my files that I want to transfer to my laptop. Please make sure your laptop is on. Now in the Document app, please click on this plus icon. You will got different option here. We want here connect to computer. Let's go ahead and click on connect to computer. Now here we have few options. The first option is go to docstransfer.com on your desktop and enter this code, right? The second option we have is sign in with QR code. So let's click on sign in with QR code, and here I will type docstransfer.com. Once it will open docstransfer.com for me, let's go ahead and scan this QR code. It scanned my QR code so quickly. So let me go ahead and show you the next part on my computer. On your laptop screen, please go ahead and type doctransfer.com. This will take you to this website. You could scan the QR code in your iPhone as well as you could enter the code here. In this example, let's see entering the code 8787. I have this code. Now this is establishing my connection with my iPhone, and here you go. I got my required image as well as the video right away on my laptop, and I could go ahead and click on the download button. I could download it quickly and easily in the same format and quality. So I will show you once these files will get download quickly. Let me know in the comments if you like this simple process of transferring files from your mobile phone to your laptop quickly by downloading and installing Docs app, and then just scan the QR code or enter the 4-digit code to get your files on your laptop. Okay, perfect. Files are downloaded. Let's go to the folder where I have downloaded it. This is the image I shown you in the beginning of the video, and here is the video file that we just have downloaded. In today's video, we are going to learn how data from iPhone. So that's it about today's quick and simple example. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more informative stuff. Take care. Bye.